blue sign, what do? You add things up for me and you.
Minus
sign, don't you fret. You take things away, we're not done yet. Divide sign, tall and thin. You share things out with all our kin. Multiply, a big red X. You make numbers bigger without any vex. Equal sign, two straight lines. What's on this side is the same as that side's. Percent, a number's best friend. Out of 100, from start to end. Pie, a number so round. In every circle, you're always found. Square root, a tick-like hook. You find a number if we take a look. Infinity, a sideways 8. A number that never ever ends its date.
हेलो दोस्तों, हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक कीजिए